Recently, after a Microsoft update in Power BI, many users run into an error when trying to export data. Instead of downloading the file, a message appears saying the data has exceeded the limit. This usually happens when your dataset contains more than 30,000 rows. In the past, there were ways around it, but now the export option simply stops working once you cross that threshold. One workaround I've found helpful is publishing the report first before attempting to export. Start by saving your file, then choose the Publish option. If a file with the same name already exists, Power BI may prompt you to rename it. Once the report is published to the server, you'll receive a link that allows you to open the same report online. After opening the published version in Power BI service, you'll see the exact same table, just hosted in the cloud. From there, try exporting the data again using the same export option. This time, you can select the current layout, and you won't see the Data Exceeded message. When you proceed with the download, the file should export successfully. That's the workaround. Give it a try, and hopefully it saves you some frustration. Thanks for watching.